Alrighty, so in this video we're going to add some perspective, add a 3D layer. So in this one we've got two layers. We've got a poster which is on its own transparent layer, and we have the office. So you might think that doing something in 3D is going to be really hard, but we're going to have a crack at how we're going to do it. So let's use the perspective tool and to make the poster look like it's actually sitting in the office. We start by hiding the layer boundary, going View, deselect showing layer boundary. Then we'll take the perspective tool, which is in the toolbox, or you can use Shift P. Click on the layer and then you can add your transform matrix. Now I'm not expecting you to be able to do linear algebra with matrices, but one day if you happen to choose, really, you're just going to have to eyeball it, because as much as I hate to say it, before we start dragging, we're going to make sure that the guides are turned off in the tool options so we can see the perspective effect better. So to do that, you can see that my cursor changes as I move around the image. As I go around the content, my cursor changes to indicate which bit will move if I were to click and drag. At the same time, those corners are going to get highlighted. So I can move it and make it go wobbly. I don't have to drag it right in the corner, so I can click and drag inside the transformation area or outside as well. As long as I have the show image preview selected in the tool options, I can see the effect. Otherwise, you're just going to have to see the boundaries, and that makes life a bit hard. I like to see the preview. So we're going to reset and we're going to have a crack at this. And to make this poster look more like it belongs in the scene, I'm going to put my cursor in the top right corner and pull that corner down, holding the Shift key to constrain it so that we can drag it down so it looks vertical relative to the wall. Then we're going to do the bottom angle. Same thing, holding the Shift key and constrain it. That looks pretty good. Click the transform and boom. Looks very good. We've transformed a layer here, but you could just as easily apply a perspective effect to a selection or a path using the toolbox. That's using perspective in GIMP. It doesn't give you precise results, and it can take some trial and error, but it does allow you to add distortion to help it blend, really. So we'll have a bit of a go at doing this one, and I'd like you to add some posters into our classroom.